Arnica has now been proven to reduce pain and speed healing. Here we'll discuss what arnica is and how both the herbal extract and homeopathic potencies are proven to work. Arnica montana is a perennial herb with bright yellow flowers resembling daisies. It can grow up to about 2 feet. Arnica is native to mountainous regions of Europe and Siberia. Arnica has also been introduced into Asia and the West. Arnica thrives in acidic soil within meadows, upland pastures, and alpine slopes. Arnica contains numerous compounds including sesquiterpene lactones, alkaloids, coumarins, flavonoids, carotenoids, diterpenes, phenolic acids, lignans, oligosaccharides, and essential oils. Arnica has a long history of use in traditional European herbal medicine, applied topically as a poultice or cream to relieve pain and inflammation. It was also used for musculoskeletal diseases, including arthritis, and even used during after surgery. Indigenous peoples of North America also utilized arnica for treating bruises, sprains, pain, swelling, and muscle injuries. Over the past 2 centuries, homeopathic arnica became a favorite treatment of Western homeopathic medical practitioners and is still popular today. Arnica is known for its analgesic properties, making it effective in alleviating pain associated with bruises, sprains, and muscle soreness. It exhibits anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce inflammation and swelling, particularly when applied topically. Arnica has been traditionally used to promote healing and reduce the appearance of bruises and scars. Arnica has been recognized medically as having antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, antifungal, and anti-cancer effects. Many studies have investigated arnica's healing capacity as an extract and homeopathic medicine. Studies have shown that arnica extract can significantly reduce muscle pain and bruising. In a 2014 study, 20 athletes were tested with and without arnica extract. An arnica gel applied to the legs gave them significant muscle pain relief through 72 hours after workouts. In a 2010 study, healthy people used a 20% arnica extract compound for bruising on the arms. The researchers found the arnica treatments reduced bruising. Another study tested a 5% arnica extract on 31 patients with mouth ulcers and found the extract was effective for reducing pain. Another study tested 79 patients with osteoarthritis of the knee. They put a 5% arnica extract gel topically on the knee for 6 weeks. The research found the arnica gel significantly reduced stiffness and pain and increased knee function. Other studies have tested homeopathic arnica, typically in tablets taken orally. In a 2006 study, over 300 patients were given 30x arnica tablets or placebo. Those given the arnica has less postoperative swelling compared to the placebo group. In a 2007 study of 190 tonsillectomy patients, those given 30 CH arnica tablets had significantly less pain scores compared to the placebo group. In a 2020 study, 23 patients were given 30x arnica tablets after impacted molar extraction and compared to a control group. The arnica patients had greater reduction in pain, bleeding, swelling, and bruising compared to the control group. In a 2022 study of 44 children after teeth extraction, Arnica 200C was tested in a crossover study. Each child had 2 extractions with a 10-day period in between. On one extraction, they were each given ibuprofen. On the other, they were given the arnica treatment. The study found the homeopathic arnica managed pain similarly to the ibuprofen treatment. A 2021 review of research from Germany's University of Witten analyzed 23 studies of homeopathic arnica. They found it helped prevent hematomas and other problems after surgery compared to placebo. As these studies show, topical creams with arnica work for muscle or joint issues. 30x to 200C homeopathic arnica has been used for internal pain and inflammation. Please share your experiences with arnica in the comments below. Take care.